Hi everyone, my name is Lawrence and welcome to my channel.
If you're new to 3D printing and looking for a printer that's easy to use, reliable, and hassle-free, the Bambu Labs P1S Combo is the perfect choice for you. In this video, we're going to be doing a step-by-step assembly and a print test.
This thing is really heavy. There's stickers on the inside of the box that tell you to pull the machine out of the box by the corners of the bags. It's taped together. I just hope it doesn't fall out the bottom. Let's get this open. Look at that, the logo on the side. This is the back of the machine, isn't it? We're going to spin this around and show you the front. This is the front of the machine. I suspect that this is where the screen is going to go in a second. Bambu Labs 3D printer quick start. Let's tear that off. And inside the box they seem to have given us 3 extra spools of PLA filament. Oh, this piece of glass just comes straight off. I was sure I had to fight it to get it off. I see this box coming out first and the instructions. Alright, we'll put that to the side. That must be the power cord. We'll find out what that is later. It's out of there. Oh, this is the screen that goes on top of the machine. Where's the Allen wrench? That's what we're looking for.
This Allen key is the only tool you'll be using to assemble this entire machine. I'm being extra careful not to break anything. This piece does not seem like it wants to come out. This is the Automatic Material System, an AMS. It's a system that helps manage and automatically feed filament into 3D printers. The AMS can automatically switch between different types of filaments or materials without you having to do anything.
Here. This tube is already connected to the AMS, and on the instruction manual it says to plug it in here. There's a round hole and there's a 6-pin connector hole over here. Now you take these connecting pins. There's a 4-pin cable and a 6-pin cable. Either one works. You can plug them onto either one. I'm going to plug it into the left one for now. Click. And then there should be another port here. Click that in here. There you go. And then there should be a 4-pin on the bottom here. And that 4-pin should connect to over here. Plug that in. There you go. Plug it in. Over here. Don't want to tangle those wires. There we go. Spool holder assembly holes. Remove the 3 screws with an Allen wrench key H2 to unlock the hotbed. So the next step on the instruction manual is to install the screen. This thing goes here. There should be a little hole here. Match it up with that. Just put it like that, match it up, and I'm assuming just push it in like that. And then once it's there, you slide it to the left, and so on. You'll never know if you ever need these screws again, so I'm just gonna put them in this little plastic baggie that came with the machine. The next page says to download the Bambu Handy app, register and log into your Bambu Lab account. Open that up. That's what this app looks like on the iPad. Alright, plug this in here. Plug that into this side. Push the button. And it's not a touch screen, so you press next. Take these out after it starts. Self-testing. Give it a second. Alright, it seems to have finished self-testing. It says our printer is ready. Enjoy printing.
This is the AMS system. It can hold multiple spools of filament. I had to use Google to figure out how to load this thing. I'll show you guys how in a second. This is what the Bambu Labs box looks like for the filament. All the spools are vacuum sealed like this. Alright, now, before you get all excited and load your spools in, make sure you've opened these little hatches in the back of the machine and open those packets of desiccant. They're basically silica gel packs. Some filaments are very sensitive to moisture, like PETG, which could absorb water from the air and cause issues like bubbling, stringing, or poor layer adhesion during printing. So, to install the filament, this took us a second to figure out. You put the spool on top of the AMS system, and then this tiny thing, you push this forward. You push it a little forward, don't break it. Just gently push it forward, and then as you have this piece forward, push the filament into the machine, and it'll automatically eat it into, not eat it. It'll automatically take the filament down into the machine.
We're going to print our first 3D print now.
You see it going green? There we go. Now it should be printing the first layer.
Dun, dun.
There was a little hair stuck here on the side, so now there's a little hole there. But otherwise, the quality of the print is actually pretty good. Nice and solid. It looks nice. This isn't even sped up. This footage is not sped up. This is the machine moving this fast.
One, two, three. Uh-oh. What the fuck? Get this piece out of there. This thing is in the way.